Welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Edge's compatibility mode. We'll show you how to enable and use this essential feature. Edge compatibility mode allows older websites designed for Internet Explorer to render correctly within the modern Edge browser. It's a bridge between old and new web standards. You might need compatibility mode if you encounter rendering issues, broken layouts, or non-functional features on sites built for older browsers, often corporate or legacy applications. To start, open Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the main menu, and select Settings from the drop-down list. In the Settings menu, navigate to the default browser section. This is where you'll find the settings for compatibility mode, specifically the Internet Explorer mode options. Under Internet Explorer mode pages, you can add the specific URL of the website that requires compatibility. Enter the address and click Add. The site will now load using the IE rendering engine. To confirm the site is working in compatibility mode, look for a small Internet Explorer icon in the address bar when visiting the site. If the site loads correctly, you're good to go. If a site no longer needs compatibility mode, return to the Internet Explorer mode pages list in Settings. Find the website you added and click the Delete button next to it to remove it from the list. If you still face issues, try clearing your browser cache, ensuring your Edge browser is up to date, and double-checking that the URL was added correctly to the compatibility list. Compatibility mode is a valuable tool for seamless browsing of older sites, allowing you to maintain productivity without switching browsers. Thank you for watching.